fitting my duck snacks. My 3 ducks love these snacks. Take a look. They are frozen peas, and I put the peas into the water, let them to thaw out. So this piece will not brain freeze my duck's brain. Hi, Hulu Fulu Chulu. How are you? You ready for your snacks? Hi. Hi, hey, you. Hi. Here you go. Wait. They love peas and love tomatoes, and also they love to eat garden leftovers like lettuce from a garden, bok choy from a garden, tomatoes from a garden. Definitely during this hot summer we have lots of tomatoes, so we don't have to buy tomatoes, and they love fresh tomatoes. Look, they're just so yummy, my tummy. Okay, now let's see their eggs. Oh, look. 3 beautiful eggs. I need to get the eggs out. They started laying eggs about 2 weeks ago. Since 3 eggs a day. Okay, want to go out? Have fun? Go eat some bugs. Bed bugs, okay? On the grass. Alright? Have fun. Do some more exercise. Okay, I will change your waters. Let me change your water. Their water. This is their pond water. I change water every 1 to 3 days, depends on. If it's not too dirty, I don't change it. This is the allergen growing around the bowl. If I want to let the energy go away, I just don't fill up with the water. Just let it tea. And the sunshine for 3 days, the allergens will be gone. But my ducks want to swim in right now, so let me get some water. Hi, Hulu Fulu Chulu. The water. Okay, I need to get the eggs out of here. They always look for the new place to hide their eggs. Look, the price of eggs are going up right now. It's nice to have 3 eggs a day. Every day they lay 3 eggs. 3 eggs a day. Are enough for 3 of us to eat. We don't need to buy any eggs during the egg season. When I call egg season, when my ducks lay eggs. Do you have ducks in your backyard? or chickens or other animals. It's fun. These ducks are runner ducks. These ducks are runner ducks. Beautiful weather. Okay, now the water almost filled out. Ducks are swimming in their pond. Take a look. They are so happy every time I fill the tub with fresh water. Hey, hulu hulu chulu. Oh, now you're scared of camera? Stage fright. Hi, baby ducks. You're not baby anymore, right? How old are you? How old are you, hulu hulu chulu? You are like, we got you 2020. Now it's 2025. Wow. You are doing great. 3 ducks. Yes, so one already finished taking shower. I'm gonna pour the oh, what you do? Let me turn off the water. Hey, hulu hulu chulu. Come here. Come here, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Ayo, what happened to your forehead? Chulu, what happened to your forehead? You have mud on your head. Have you been digging in the mud? Huh? Now, do you want to eat something? Tomatoes? I don't like this flower. You want to eat this flower? Here. Oops. Oh, I see there's some tomatoes. Would you like to have some? Here. You have to eat. You have to eat off me, okay? Here. So I have 3 tomatoes here. Each of them eat one, but this one too small. Well, maybe you share first. Would you like to eat that? Good. Yummy? I need to break it apart for you, okay? So just wait, okay? Let me pick this one. This tomato came volunteer. So I'm going to break this tomato apart. because, whoops, I have one hand is holding the camera, and so I use the other hand. So now you can see. Oh, all gone. Oh, you are eating my fingers. Ah! It's okay. Okay, just one more. Last one, okay? I need to break this 3 parts. Each of you gets one. So it's a fair. Just second. So you get one. Oh, okay. You get one. Okay. You get one. Okay, now some seeds on my. Hey, tickle. Okay. All gone now, okay? You like it? You like it? You like it? You like it? You? Oh? You're so cute, cutie. Cutie. We. The other one. We. Come, let me hold you. You want some more? Want no more? I'll let them grow some more tomatoes than just for you. Like you get to eat the yellow tomatoes. Is that awesome? Okay, see you later. Bye.